Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We're delving into the intricacies of counting total working hours, surpassing the conventional 24-hour clock. Join us as we explore two dynamic methods, one harnessing the power of Excel's sum function for effortless calculations and the other unleashing the capabilities of VBA with a user-defined function. Let's embark on this journey of advanced time calculations. When calculating the total working hours or total efforts in our work, we can use sum function to calculate total hours conveniently. But when you applying this function in your daily work, you may notice that it only works to calculate total hours less than 24 hours. If the total hours are greater than 24 hours, it cannot work normally and we may get an improper returned value. Our first method involves utilizing the sum function in combination with custom formatting to accurately count total working hours. Let's explore the steps. Enter the formula equals sum A2, A6 in cell B3 to get total hours for provided working hours. Select this cell, right-click to load options, select Format Cells in the last section. On Format Cells panel, under Number tab, select Custom in Category List, in Type text box type left square bracket, H:right square bracket. After typing you can see in sample section, 36:46 feet is displayed. Click OK. Verify that total hours for A2, A6 is updated properly. Now, the cell will display the total working hours, accurately counting values beyond the 24-hour mark. Our second method involves creating a user-defined function using VBA to precisely accumulate total working hours. Let's delve into the steps. Open the Excel workbook where you want to apply this function. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, editor. In the VBA editor, go to Insert, Module to insert a new module. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor by clicking the Close button or pressing Alt plus Q. In a cell, type equals count total working hours, A2, A6. Adjust the range as per your data. Press Enter, and the cell will display the total working hours, accurately counting values beyond 24 hours. This code accumulates hours and minutes separately, converts excess minutes to hours, and then formats the result as HH:MM. By mastering these two methods, you now possess the skills to seamlessly count total working hours beyond the conventional 24-hour clock. Stay tuned for more Excel insights. Don't forget to subscribe for future tips. Share this newfound knowledge with your peers. Thanks for watching.